Okay, we're going to do 4 linked trefoils in a square now. So the first thing we do is to draw a square. I'm going to use a set square simply because it makes it, I do it more quickly that way. It's perfectly possible to do a square without a set square, but it's quicker this way. And I'm going to do the diagonals. Now you're going to be doing a trefoil in a different, this is an isosceles triangle, isn't it? It's a 90-degree a right angled triangle here. So it's an isosceles triangle, so the curves are going to be different. You're going to have 2 different types of curves. Incidentally, talking about 90 degrees, do you know how to make a 90-degree angle very quickly? You get any old piece of paper, fold it like that, okay? Fold it again along that straight edge there. That is a 90-degree angle there. Do it with anything, do it with a leaf. Useful to know that. So I think I'm going to just put a little gap to separate the triangles. Okay, that's not very good, that one, that's a bit too wide. Just take that out, redraw it. I should have measured it, well no, I shouldn't have measured it, why should I? Why should I measure it? Do what I like. Okay. Now, we're stringing this curve out now. So I'm starting here. I'm coming up over the top of the ball, as it were. Coming up, merging about 1/3 of the way up, like that. Do that on all of them. Over the top, merging. You can't do this with drawing instruments, actually, these curves. They're too complex. You can do the ones in the equilateral triangle with drawing instruments, as you will see in a later tutorial, but these you've got to do them freehand. There's no 2 ways about it. So there's those 4 curves there. Now we've got to do this awkward one, which is going to come from here like this. So let's start there, bring it round, merging again about 2/3 of the way, like that. Now I'm going to cut while I do the rest of them, just to save time and boredom for you. There, that's those 4 put in roughly. Then you double it up as you have on the other one, so trying to make sure that your lines are parallel for the ribbon. Oops, so that's not parallel there, and it's come down further, doesn't it? About there. And like that. So I'll just cut and do it on the other 4. There we are, roughly. Got the 4 basic trefoils there. So now what we do is to join the tops together like that, the apexes, and then the inner apex joins across to there. Can you see that? And do that on all 4 of them. So you've got that little thing in the middle there. Then it's a simple matter of taking out the ones you don't want. So for instance, if we start here, if I say that this strand, I mean it's arbitrary, isn't it? It could have gone under, but I'm having it over. It's just be a mirror image if you do it the other way around. So that's going over there, so therefore it's going under here. Okay, so therefore it's going over here. Okay, so therefore it's going over here and over here. So you've got that interesting little over and under, and then basically you just got to go through all of them over and under. And then Bob's your uncle. So I'll just cut and do that. So there we are. I've put the unders and overs in, and a little bit of shading, and fairly crude, but you get the idea. So that's for trefoils linked in a square.